What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like the video if you're new. But today we're going to do a burst fade on the beard with a ducktail pointed beard. So first I got my Gamma Evo trimmer right here. I'm going to start making a burst ball line right here, because we're trying to leave the top edges of the beard and the back side of the beard darker so it pops a little bit more. Next we're going to grab our number 2 guard and we're going to go with the grain just to lay down the hair better and then go against the grain. After that we're going to take our number 1 guard open. Now we have no guard on there with the blade open to close, so we're going to open all the way, halfway, then completely closed. This is our 3 guard right here, just to remove some darkness. After we're going to go do some detail work with that 0 guard or the 1/16 millimeter guard. If you guys are curious on the blade I am using, this is the new X Pro Gold blade. I'll have it down below for you guys. And we do the same steps that we did on the other side on this side as well. And this is how the finished beard looks right now with just the razor work. And this is how we're going to do it. Also, quick tip, use different parts of their mouth or their mustache to reference where you want the beard line to end. Also, after you lined up the beard once or twice, make sure to brush through and line it up again just to make sure it's as sharp as possible before applying the beard pencil that I'm about to do right now. This is from Joseph's signature line. This is the dark brown, and we're just going to go ahead and enhance the beard, fill in the lighter areas that he has in his beard just to give it that fullness, that density look to it, and it's going to make the beard fade just pop that much more. And to give this more angular, ducktail pointed beard, what we're going to do is go tight on the jawline and slightly drop as we get towards the Adam's apple. Right here I have my Gamma Ergo clipper, and as you can tell I'm angling it and pointing it, more emphasis on the chin area and going tight back on the cheek area and the back of his beard. Right here we're working on the outside of the beard, the top part of the beard, making sure that's flat on his face. And after that we're going to go ahead and work on the bottom of the beard underneath and getting that nice and tight and angular, coming more emphasis on the chin area. And right here, this is what I'm doing. I'm focusing underneath the beard now, keeping that top length as well. And there it is, YouTube. This is how my client looked before. This is how he looks after. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Hope you guys learned something new. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, comment down below. Let me know if you kind of like this a little bit quicker video, about under 5 minutes, more straight to the point. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm out.